Hi, this is Carl Tofflemire. I'm the Pre-Owned Director and Classic Operations Manager here at Porsche South Bay with our 2023 Classic Restoration Challenge, a 997.2 C4S Cabriolet. We're going to embellish it, but we're going to, as best we can, utilize some of the higher performance options that were available within this chassis. So we'll be using the wheels from the 997.2 Speedster, replacing these C4S wheels. We're going to update all of the lighting features on the car, so the headlight systems will be new, taillights will be new. With any luck, we're going to have factory sport exhaust system installed on the car, and we're going to go through the entire vehicle, including the top, refresh the interior, and most importantly, the bottom side of the car. This car lived back east for a little while, so it's a little crusty underneath, but we're excited to be able to transform that well-worn, well-used underside and top side into something that'll be show-worthy come August.